Alright, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. So we are currently on, what date is it today? It's currently Wednesday the 5th of May. So gyms have been open since Monday. Monday and Tuesday. So today, what am I saying, Joel? The gyms have been open since So gyms haven't been open since Monday, so obviously went back on Monday. The way I'm going to cater my workouts this week are going to literally just be full body, just to kind of ease myself into it. I actually didn't end up recording any of the workouts that I did, but I'll give you a rough idea of where my strength is at the current time, given that obviously I've been off for about 4.5 months, 5 months. So I ended up actually squatting, believe it or not. I think a lot of people ended up hitting chest on the Monday because it's National Chest Day and what have you, but I ended up actually squatting, built up to a heavy set of 100 kilograms, built up to a heavy, I think I did about 4 reps, and then I moved on to a bit of chest, ended up building up to a heavy set on that, which was around 32 kilograms, and then I ended up doing a bit of accessory work then, so a bit of lats, a bit of rowing for the back, a bit of arms, a bit of core, because I am lacking. If you've seen the physique update on the last video, you'll know I'm definitely lacking on core, so that's what I'm definitely going to focus on coming back into the gym now. And then obviously yesterday I did a little workout as well, but I was aching from Monday, believe it or not. I think a lot of us are going to be aching when we're going back now. So yesterday I ended up doing a bit of back, bit of core, and that was it really. I only spent about an hour yesterday because that's how bad I was still hurting from Monday. But yeah, that is it. Right, currently now we're in, where is it, Joel? Joel by here, just casually chilling. Where are we? Is it Neath? It is Neath, isn't it, technically? I have got resistant bands with me as well, believe it or not, so I'm going to try and get like a little workout in as well. But yeah, we'll see what we do. One of the reasons we come out to Glynneath is because of the waterfalls. You can probably hear the stream. Yeah, you can probably hear the stream in the background. There's probably about 5 or 6 around South Wales. Probably even more, I think. But one of the most famous ones is Henrhyd Waterfalls. I believe I'm saying that right. Probably roast me in the comments if I'm not, but I mean, Imran Ahmed, he's just started up his YouTube channel. He's the one that actually, I stumbled across his video, and that's how I found out that they actually filmed Dark Knight Rises, or the entrance of the Batcave in Henrhyd Falls. I don't think we're going to be able to get out there because where the Airbnb is, there's no actual like Ubers or anything like that. So anyways, yeah, shout out to him. I'll link his video in the description below. I think the boys have got like a little bit of a photo shoot going on here. Yeah, it's all happening. Alright, so we're directly above the waterfall. Obviously it wouldn't be a video if I didn't get some sort of workout in, so I'm going to grab one of the boys to actually film me, and we're going to get like a light resistance band workout in, just because my body's still recovering from Monday and Tuesday. So yeah, let's get it. Alright, so that is it for the workout. It was a quick one, just because obviously, like I said earlier, my body's still recovering from the session that I had on Monday and Tuesday. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna carry on with the scenery, stay here for a half hour or so, and then head back to the Airbnb. So yeah, don't forget to sub, like, comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.